Welcome back to Explain CAT. In this tutorial, we will know about how to use the rip feature in CATIA. Rip feature is basically we create a sketch in one plane and we create a path on another plane. We will sweep that sketch along that path. Let's create. I select this plane. I select sketch. Now I create a circle here. Exit workbench. Now I select this plane. Other plane. Select sketch. I select spline for creating a curve or path along which we create our sketch. Double click for exit this. Exit workbench. Now select here rip definition. Profile, I select this sketch. Curve, I select this curve. See preview. This circle is sweep along this curve, this path. From here you can select pulling direction. This is not available here. Select keep angle. See preview. You can also merge the reference. If there some other object or bodies are available, then it will merge. Next is thick profile. Select it. You can add thickness 1 and thickness 2. See preview. Thickness 1 will be thickness inside and thickness 2 is thickness at outside. See preview here like this and check thickness. See preview. Select OK. This is the feature. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, explain.